All right, you are so setting your calendar for April 8th, 2017. I know it's just around the corner. Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's going to be the Feminine and Fierce Concealed Carry Fashion Show and Expo. Okay, so what's a concealed carry fashion show? Concealed carry fashion show is, well, kind of a runway walk where the models are actually wearing concealed carry wear. Okay, so they've got no live guns, it's blue guns. All right, they're going to be wearing the blue guns. They're going to come out. They're going to say, check it out. Can you tell where I'm concealing? Boom, they're going to show you the reveal where they're actually carrying, and then they're going to button up again so that you can kind of go, hey, look, I can't see where she's carrying. We are going to have a couple male models this year because, well, the guys asked for it, and you know, they'll complain if I don't. So concealed carry fashion show, that's going to be absolutely amazing. The other part of it is the expo. I'm going to have speakers come and talk about all sorts of topics. Hunting, as well as laws that affect firearm owners, insurance. There's going to be a lot of great things. And of course, there's going to be awesome vendors that you can come, talk, learn about their products, hopefully buy some of their products. It is going to be a full day of amazing stuff. So mark your calendar so you can't forget April 8th. And if you're seeing this off the Gunpowder Gals Facebook page, make sure you subscribe to our events because then you're going to be notified. If you're interested in being a sponsor, if you're interested in being a vendor, you can go to, now this is going to take a second, Concealed Carry Fashion Show and Expo.com, or you can go to FeminineFierce.net. And right on that page, there's going to be more information about my event, as well as a form that you can fill out asking to be notified as we get closer and closer to the event, or if you want to be a vendor or sponsor, which I think I already said. Anyways, make sure you stay tuned. It's going to be a fabulous event.